Hi gang, Caffeine BS for May 21st, 2019. I just came in and got my heart rate down below call an ambulance level after Dave the handyman was here patching the hole in the roof of the shop. Well, actually, it's not a hole. It wasn't a hole in the roof of the shop. It was a custom manufactured skylight provided by the Mother Nature Destruction Company. Yeah, she blew a bunch of shingles off the shop. I told you in another video that Dave had to come and we stretched a tarp over it. Well, Mother Nature came around for a second try. She ripped the tarp off. So Dave was back and he spliced in some shingles to fill the hole. Knock wood, nothing's gonna go wrong. I'll attach a picture of Dave coming down the ladder and the picture he took of the patch job. Wait a minute. Special note. Nicole, call or message and tell me when you can be home watching YouTube, because I'm going to try a live stream. There's got to be someone on the other end I know is going to be there. Okay. Thank you, dear.